Double murder rocks quiet community in Westmoreland.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Grief descended on the community of Kingswood in Westmoreland on Monday night, December 20, when 2 people were gunned down in cold blood. The deceased have been identified as 45-year-old Chaldon Calder, otherwise called Chino or Tony, and his common-law wife, 33-year-old Shellett Reid, also called Miss T. According to the Savannah Lamar police, shortly after 9 p.m., Calder had picked up Reid at her home in another section of the community and drove to his house. On reaching his yard, he alighted from the vehicle and was in the process of opening the gate when he was pounced upon by armed men who shot him multiple times. Before escaping on a motorcycle, the gunmen also shot Reid multiple times, who was seated inside the vehicle. Residents alerted the police, and upon arrival, both victims who were found suffering from gunshot wounds were rushed to the Savannah Lamar Hospital, where they were pronounced dead. This is the second double murder in Westmoreland in less than a week, as on Monday, 2 goat farmers, 65-year-old Henry Jones and 44-year-old Brian Chambers, both of Calder district in Grange Hill, were found chopped to death in Jacob Hill Mountain.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!